Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Kai Styles. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kai. I'm a hairstylist and a makeup artist, and I do live makeup videos pretty much every day of the week from my Facebook page, Kai Styles. You can also check me out here on YouTube under the name Kai Styles, and over on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. Since I've started doing these videos, I have had a lot of questions about my curly hair routine or what products I use in my hair, so we're gonna go through my hair routine today. I just got out of the shower. I have not styled my hair yet. It is a little more dry than I usually start off. I usually like to style my hair when it's really wet and get all of my products in and then diffuse it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair a little bit really quick. Okay, so you want your hair to be thoroughly wet throughout. You want it to be damp but not dripping wet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a basic towel and I'm just going to scrunch the residual water out of my hair. Okay, so now that our hair is damp, we want to first come in with a leave-in conditioner. The one that I've been using lately is the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. And then I've also been using some of the My Amazing Quick Dry Shake and Spray. It helps repair and reduce blow dry time. Okay, next we're gonna come in with some hair oil. I really like this one from Sexy Hair. It's their Love Oil. It helps with shine, moisture, and frizz control, and it can be used on wet or dry hair. And it also helps to reduce blow dry time when it's used on wet hair. So I'm just gonna take a few pumps of that, and I'm gonna run this mostly through the ends of my hair. Now that our hair has all of the protecting and conditioning ingredients in it, we're going to come in with a little bit of a volumizing mousse. Paul Mitchell Invisiblewear Volume Whip. And this is a humidity resistant product, which is great for curly hair. I'm just gonna do a couple pumps of that into my hand. I'm going to spread that out, and then we're gonna work this through the roots of the hair. For our styling product, I like to use a curl cream in my hair, the one that I've been using lately. It's the Curl Friend Defining Curl Cream. And this stuff smells so good, you guys. It literally smells like cake, like lemon cakes. So good. I start off with about a quarter-sized dollop of that, I would say. And I just rub that through my hands, and I'm just gonna rake this through my hair from the root to the end. Okay, we mostly concentrated that first dollop of the curl cream into the front of the hair. I'm now going to take another about quarter-sized dollop of that, and I'm going to work this one through the back of the hair. Okay, so now that we've got all of our products in our hair, I'm going to come in and decide where I want my parting, how I want my hair to lay. I'm gonna go ahead and part that out. And then I like to use a large toothed comb to kind of come through and kind of separate and define the curls. I'm just combing straight down from the top of the head, getting all of the hair to lay in the direction that I want it to go. Now I'm going to come in with a towel, and I'm going to use this towel to scrunch my hair. So I'm just going to set the hair in the towel and push my hand upward to start forming those curl patterns. Once I've gone all around the bottom, I then like to flip my head upside down and scrunch from the top. Okay, so now we've got all of those curls kind of laying in the same direction. They're nice and shaped, kind of clumped together and defined. I like to take a little bit of a soft hold hairspray and put that over the hair before I start to diffuse it. The one I've been using is the Sexy Hair So Touchable hairspray. Alright, So now we're going to diffuse our hair. We're going to take your blow dryer. I love the Dyson blow dryer. They work so well. They're really great for curly hair. Their diffuser is amazing. I absolutely love this. I've been using a Dyson for almost a year now, and I am hooked. I will probably never own another brand of hair dryer in my life. This does such a good job. Helps control frizz, quicker blow drying time, and it's super, super quiet. So we're gonna use this on the lowest heat setting and on the lowest speed. Okay, so at this point my hair is about 70% dry. So now what I like to do is I like to turn all of the heat off on my blow dryer. We're still going to keep it on the lowest speed setting, but we're going to put it on no heat, just cold air, and we're gonna come back in and just do the same thing with the diffuser. And basically what that's going to do is it's gonna help to set those curls into place and really help them hold their shape throughout the day. Okay, so now that we've gone over the entire head with the cooler air, it's about 80% dry at this point. So now what I like to do is I let it air dry the rest of the way. And then once it finishes drying, you'll come through and you'll break up the hair and kind of shake it out and give your curls the volume, add some texturizing spray if you want, a little bit of light hold hairspray, anti-frizz serum if you want to help with a little bit of frizz. So we're gonna let this finish drying, and then I will come back and we will finish styling our hair. Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes and my hair is now completely dry. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in and I'm going to scrunch the hair. And all this is doing is it's releasing the cast. So after you diffuse your hair with the product in there, it's going to feel a little firm, like it has some hairspray and product and stuff on it. But as soon as you come in and you scrunch this hair out, it releases that firmness and the hair just becomes super soft and pliable and touchable. Okay, and I'm gonna leave this side because I like this kind of tucked back behind my ear and I like it to kind of stay there. So I'm not gonna scrunch that out. So in this area, to come in, I'm gonna slide my fingers into the root and I'm just gonna shake the hair a little bit. And you'll see almost immediately the hair just kind of starts to volumize itself. And that helps to give that volume and separate the curls a little bit without creating frizz. Because if I was to come in there and just run my fingers through it and try to pull it out, it's just gonna create a lot of frizz and poofiness, and I want volume, I don't wanna be frizzy. So now that I've got the hair kind of shook out, we've got the firm cast off of it, I like to come in with a little bit of a texturizing spray. And the one that I've been using is the Surfer Girl spray from Sexy Hair. It's part of their Texture Sexy hair line. And I'm just gonna come in and kind of spray this into the hair, and then I just kind of like to lift it up gently with my hand as I spray that on there to allow that product to kind of get into the hair. And then once it's on there, it kind of helps the hair grip to itself a little bit, but it doesn't get really hard or stiff. It does leave a little bit of like texture on your hair, but it doesn't get crunchy. It's still very soft and movable and bouncy. So we're just gonna continue to spray this throughout the hair a little bit. And then once I've got all that set in the hair, I just kind of come in and move this around where I want it. I usually pull a little bit down in the front there, like a bang. I like to get lots of volume up there in the back. And then once I have a nice shape, so the biggest thing for me with hair is the silhouette of the hair. So I want to make sure that I don't have any like gaps where it's like real poofy and then there's like a little hole right here and then it's poofy here again. So I just come in and I make sure that from every angle it has kind of like a nice, consistent, almost rounded shape to it. And then once I'm kind of happy with where the hair is sitting and how the shape looks, I come back in with that soft hold hairspray. So it's the So Touchable from Sexy Hair. And I just lightly mist this over the whole hair. And that is it for my curly hair routine, you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are a curly haired person, I'm always looking for new suggestions. So if you have something that works great for your curly hair, let me know so I can try that out. You can also check me out over on Facebook under the name Kai Styles. I do live makeup videos pretty much every day of the week there. And you can check me out over on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day, and until I see you next time, remember to be true to yourself, be kind to one another, and most importantly, be beautiful. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.